So I believe I got the memory seat to finally work. So what I had to do was get a new door harness on it with the switch. The new door harness I got off of a 2017 Platinum. Needed a new switch. I needed a new little trim bezel here on it. Also needed new door modules. That was my problem. And you need new seat motors. So you need the seat motors for this part here that lifts up and down. You need a seat motor for this back end here that goes up and down. You also need the seat motor that moves the seat forward and back. And you also need a seat motor for the backrest on it, which I've already got replaced on it. So now I just got finished putting in the door module, loading an as-built data off of a 2017 Platinum on it. So testing it out. If I hit set, memory 1 saved. I'll hit set 2 and it's saved. So if I start the vehicle up, let me move the seat. Okay, so let's set this one here. Okay. Nice. So memory 1 was pushed all the way back. I'll do memory 2. I'll do 1 again. And it seems to work. Let me test out. I'm going to move the seat up. Save that to that one there. And move the seat down. Move the seat forward. I'll do 1. Move the seat up. It moves the seat backwards on it. So finally got that to work. For anybody else that's wanting to get the memory seats, I kept my original seat. I had to get a whole new seat harness, the bottom one. I need a seat, driver's seat module. Also had to add a jumper wire to the ground connection of it. Then I had to add 2 CAN network wires, a CAN high and a CAN low or something like that, and so the car can communicate with it. The door harness I already had from when I added the ambient lighting on it. So all I needed was just a switch. You need the high-end version of the door modules for the passenger and driver side, and I believe that is all that is involved. It is quite expensive. It's up to you on how you want to do it. You could either replace the seats with one like with memory and heated, but the heated option will not work unless you wire that in, unless you get a passenger seat and wire. You got to do basically for the heated cooled seats, you got to do quite a bit of wiring on it. So I'm not worried about that, but all I wanted was the memory function. So for my case, since I've already had the wiring done, all I needed was the driver's seat module, the driver's seat harness for the lower cushion area, and I needed new door modules. And that completes it all for me. But if you have a stripped down version like my car was, you'll need new door harness, driver's side passenger on it. You'll need driver's seat module, the seat harness, and the door modules on it for this to all work out. So I'm moving it myself. But basically, if I hit set, you'll hear a little chime just saying that, hey, it's ready. Oh, hold on, probably cancel that out. Memory 2 saved. Memory 1 saved. So I finally got that working. I ended up getting a new door harness just in case mine was not wired for it, for memory seats, because it came off of a 17 Fusion SE, but it had memory seats. So I haven't decided if I want to keep that harness or resell it on it, but that's where I'm at on getting the memory seats to work.